A picnic on a train. Pia lives with her mother and father in Delhi. Her family is going to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. They are going by train. Pia is not happy. She does not like going on a train. It makes her feel sick. Her mother sits next to her. She puts her arm around her. The name of the train is the Taj Express. Pia sits near the window. She looks out. She sees fields. The fields are green. There are cows in the fields. The cows are eating grass. She sees goats. They are also eating grass. Pia is happy. She is not feeling sick anymore. Now she can see some farmers. They are working in the fields. There are boys playing. They are playing a game with a small stick and a big stick. They are playing gulli danda. Pia sees some girls. They are wearing their school uniform. They are riding cycles. They are going to school. The train stops at a station. Father gets off. He buys some hot samosas. A man is selling muri on the train. Mother buys some muri. They eat it. Mother takes some fresh juice out of her bag. They drink the juice. Pia says, "It is just like a picnic. A picnic on a train. What fun!" The train moves out of the station. Pia takes out her notebook. She writes about everything she has seen. She tells her mother that she wants to be a writer. She wants to write stories about train journeys. After 3 hours, they reach Agra. Pia is sad that their train ride is over. She really enjoyed it. Father tells her not to be sad. They will return to Delhi after 2 days. They will travel by train once again.